Alright, today I'll be showing you how to do the kickflip, and it's like probably the first flip trick you should learn, and maybe either flip kickflip or heel flip. But this is how you kickflip goofy and regular, pretty much the same thing. Your feet foot positioning. This is like the trick that you can have like your own foot positioning with, because you can have either like this, like right here, like this. Back foot. If you want to, I suggest you put it like right here. So you want to pop, slide a bit, and then flick out, which will make the board pretty much like this. Your first kick flip, when you try this, it's gonna pretty much go like this much. Your second, it'll go like probably almost fully, and then and then when you get really good at it, you'll probably land these in like, if you want to land them like first try, it'll probably take you like a month, pretty much. First try. That's how much it took me. And that's how So pretty much it's like slide, flick out. Alright, and at the end of the video there'll be like a slow-mo one. And then I'll show you like how to do it in slow-mo. And for regular, it's just the same thing, except you don't flick out, you flick out downwards. And it's just like this. And that's how you make it. Thanks for watching.